Hey salon industry friends, I'm Christy Valenzuela, co-owner of Summit Salon Business Center. I'm absolutely thrilled to be here on behalf of our favorite L'Oreal brands to discuss holiday sales and best practices for our busiest time of the year. And I'm not just talking about surviving the holiday rush, I'm talking about dominating it. We'll be sharing proven systems and practical advice from setting your SMART goals, engaging your team, and wowing your guests. We've got the roadmap to an unforgettable holiday season. Let's make this holiday season your most profitable ever. The biggest shopping season happens every year, the holiday season. But did you know for many salons, this season can bring in up to 25% of their annual revenue? The key? Having a strategic plan. It starts with your existing guests. Entice them to try new holiday services or take home your holiday retail kits. Next, attract new clients with limited time only holiday promotions, gift card bundles, and festive packages. But don't stop there. Make sure you have a follow-up plan to turn those new faces into loyal guests. And of course, build out your retail space with eye-catching displays, multiple gift price points, and sprinkle in some fun contests or giveaways to keep the energy high. The holiday season is your biggest opportunity to boost revenue, grow your client base, and set the tone for a new year. Let's make it count. If you really want to win the holiday retail game this season, you're going to need to start planning in August or September. And that plan starts with a sales goal and budget. Before you even peek at those holiday catalogs, ask yourself, what's your sales goal? Here's one simple way to set it. Look at your total holiday retail sales from last November and December. Then add a realistic growth goal, let's say 20%. That new number, that's your sales target for this year. Another way is to predict how many promo buyers you'll have. At Summit, we teach that about 9% of your monthly guests are your super buyers. For example, if you're a salon with 10 stylists and see about 1,000 guests per month, that's 90 potential buyers. Multiply that by 2 months, November and December, and your target is 180 holiday retail promotional items to sell. Now I know that might sound like a truckload, but let's break it down. If you're open 24 days in November, that's just 3 or 4 kits a day. In December, if you sell through the next 90 kits over 23 days, that's only about 4 kits a day. You see, small daily wins add up fast, and that's how you hit your holiday goal. Here's a pro tip. What if your holiday kits arrive in September or October? No problem. Set them up right away with fall-themed displays. You can save the holiday decor for later, but start selling now. Once your holiday sales goal and budget are set, it's time for the fun part, shopping your distributor holiday catalog. Stay within your budget, but be strategic. Choose items that hit a variety of price points and bring excitement to your retail space. Our L'Oreal brand partners make this easy. They've created beautiful, ready-to-sell holiday kits featuring the products your guests already love. And here's a smart holiday move. Expand your offerings. If you normally stock L'Oreal Professional and/or Redken, consider bringing in, for a limited time only, other options from brands like Biolage, Pureology, or Matrix. It creates variety, adds price flexibility, and keeps your guests curious. Here's a pro tip. Bring in some open stock of those brand new brands for your stylist to use during services. When they're using it, they're naturally recommending it, and selling those holiday kits become effortless. check out the Holiday Spectaculator in the Brand Activation Holiday Toolkit, which is available through your sales consultant as well at the Level Loyalty website. It will help you calculate your cost versus bottom line profit. Need help? Work with your sales consultant and they will be happy to show you how. Once you've placed your holiday order with your sales consultant, don't just sit back and wait for those boxes to arrive. It's time to plan. A successful holiday season isn't luck, it's strategy. You need a month-by-month action plan to set you and your team up for success. In September, it's time to prep. Finalize your order, plan incentives, get your marketing strategy ready, start designing your signage, and order any items you may need to create those eye-catching holiday displays. In October, it's all about building excitement. Review specials with your team, test new products, and start teasing your guests with what's coming. November is showtime. Stock those shelves, launch your holiday displays, run your contest, and track sales daily. December, keep the momentum going with daily tracking, new promotions, and sell through any remaining kits. Then, finally, in January, assess, celebrate, and take notes on what worked. A strong month-by-month plan is how you turn holiday sales into real results. And make sure to download the month-by-month holiday checklist in the Brand Activation Holiday Toolkit. Prep your team with the Team Holiday Huddle. Before your holiday inventory even arrives, it's time to prep your team. Schedule a team huddle to build excitement and confidence. Let them know exactly what's coming, what's new, price points, savings, and how to talk about each item. If you're expanding your product lines for the holidays, this is the time to introduce them. Go over features, benefits, and most importantly, let your team touch, feel, and try the products. Here's a pro tip. The easiest way to sell holiday kits is to use the products during the service and simply say, the product I used on you today is available in our limited time only holiday kits at a special price. During the huddle, make sure to review upcoming team and client contests. The goal? Build momentum, increase confidence, and get everyone ready to crush holiday sales. Want to keep your team motivated and having fun during this holiday season? Turn your sales tracking into a game. Create a holiday-inspired game board. Think like Candyland or Chutes and Ladders style, where each holiday kit sold moves them along the board. The visual progress keeps the team engaged, adds friendly competition, and makes hitting sales goals way more fun. Add small prizes along the way and celebrate big wins together. When the team's having fun, the guest will feel it and the sales will follow. When it comes to selling holiday kits, how you display them matters. In September and October, keep it seasonal with fall-themed displays. Think warm colors, pumpkins, cozy vibes. It keeps your retail space fresh without jumping too early into the holidays. Then, in November and December, switch gears. Go festive with traditional holiday decor to get in the spirit and really grab your guests' attention. Need inspiration? The Brand Activation Holiday Toolkit is packed with display ideas and even has direct shopping links to Amazon to make setup easy. A great display isn't just decor, it's a sales strategy. One of the best ways to kick off holiday sales, a pop-up shop event. Depending on your creativity, your budget, and your bandwidth, consider launching a pop-up retail experience. This can be a one-day or a short-term period. Now, short-term, think 8 to 12 weeks. As a one-day only event or a fun evening event, it can be hosted at your salon where your guests get first dibs on holiday deals, exclusive products, and have a little fun with drawings or games like Spin to Win. Here's your pop-up shop success plan. Number 1, plan for success. Decide what you'll sell and set up a sales goal and align your sales team. Number 2, curate your offerings. Order your holiday kits focusing on mid-priced favorites. Create your promotions and design and launch a limited time only holiday indulgence service menu. Number 3, promote and market the event. Practice scripts for your front desk and stylist. Mention the event to every guest and promote everywhere. Signage, emails, text, and of course, social media. And number 4, set the scene. Use eye-catching displays that showcase your salon brand, play festive music, and send out those holiday vibes. Number 5, engage and sell. Talk to your guests. Show them how to use the products. Make sure you mix retail with engaging demo experiences. And number 6, follow through. Send thank yous to your team that worked so hard. Track what worked. Restock your shelves and consider bringing in any best sellers from brand expansion lines that you were trying out. A pop-up shop event can be more than just a temporary retail moment. This is an opportunity where you can tell the story about your brand, market test new products for your salon company, and take advantage of priceless word-of-mouth marketing. Want to keep your guests intrigued, excited, and shopping all season long? Mix up your holiday incentives. Some guests visit once, while others come in multiple times for services. So switch it up and keep the momentum going. Here's a few proven ideas. Number 1, a raffle prize incentive. Buy any 2 holiday kits, get entered to win a gift card or product basket. Number 2, a charitable contribution. Do good, feel good, look good. Donate a portion of each holiday kit sale to a charitable cause. And number 3, receive a gift with a holiday indulgence service or holiday kit purchase. Guests receive a complimentary treatment at their next visit with any holiday purchase. Simple, fun, and effective. These incentives keep your guests engaged and your holiday sales going strong. The holiday shopping season brings 3 big opportunities: Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday. Here's how to make the most of each. Black Friday. Over 70% of shoppers expect big deals, like fill your bag and receive 25% off your holiday kits when you purchase 3 or more and receive a bonus conditioning service at your next service. This is an added value of about $30. And they can also even go into a drawing to win a $200 salon gift card. Now that's big. It moves product and rewards early shoppers. Small Business Saturday. Nearly 60% of consumers shop small. Celebrate your salon's small biz roots with 20% off any retail purchase that day only. And then Cyber Monday, online shopping spikes. So promote $20 bonus gift card vouchers for every $100 spent in gift cards purchased. It's the perfect no-hassle gift. You can also introduce limited time only indulgent services for the holidays, like deep conditioning, scalp rituals, or glow up packages to keep clients excited. Check out our brand activation holiday toolkit for more indulgent service ideas. So remember, plan early and promote everywhere. These 3 days can bring a serious holiday boost. Wow, we've covered so much today. From setting your ambitious sales goals and strategically shopping your holiday kits, to prepping your team, getting creative with displays, and leveraging those big holiday weekends. Remember, a truly successful holiday season isn't just luck. It's built on a solid, fun, and proactive strategy. On behalf of L'Oreal and Summit Salon Business Center, we believe in you. Go out there, execute these step-by-step systems, and get ready to celebrate an incredibly successful holiday season. Thanks for joining us.